Welcome to my channel. I'm Elsie, and today we are going to look at how to solve pattern programs in Java. So, pattern programs are of three types: star, number, and character. In this video, we'll be looking at star patterns, which are mostly asked in interviews. So, let's get started. First, we'll start with a simple square pattern, which helps you to understand with logic and also improves for loop concepts as we go ahead. Now, let's print a single star, for which we'll write this code. If we are asked to print n number of stars, then let's take n is equal to 4. We use for loop to print those n number of stars specified. Loop will start from 1 till j is less than or equal to n. And we have mentioned increment, which is j plus plus. Or you can start from 0 till j is less than n. You can use either one of the approaches mentioned. This prints star 4 times in one single row. If we look at the way it's printed in a single row. What if we need that to be printed in a single column wise, for which we use println statement. Remember, print statement prints in same rows, println statement goes to the next line. Okay, let's get back to our square pattern. What we need is to print this row 4 times, for which I'll insert the same for loop code return as an outer loop. But if we run this, we see that the stars are printed in a same row. This is where print and println statements will be used. Now I'll change the print statement to println statement, but this will print each star in next line. So to print square pattern, we need 4 stars in the same rows and then it should go to the next line, for which we use print statement in the inner loop. Only after the inner loop is executed, it should go to the next line, for which we'll write a println statement here. Remember, outer loop specifies rows and inner loop specifies columns. And here is the square pattern program. Let's move to second star program, which is right triangle star pattern. We'll take the same code which we used to print the square pattern. If we look at outer loop, it is written correctly here, which is printing n rows from 1 till n. As you know, inner loop specifies columns. Instead of printing n stars in each row, we need that to be printed from 1 and it should increase the count by 1 when it goes to the next rows. So the logic here is row number is specifying the number of stars to be printed in each row. Row number is stored in I variable. So we will only change the inner loop j variable to run from 1 till I value, which prints right triangle star pattern program. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more such content.